Morning. I want to take a second and I'm going to show you how I package my scent of the month. You can do this with any bars or anything that might melt that you'll send in the mail. Only thing that I use is the same thing Scentsy sends me, which is the ice packs that come in our orders, along with the silver envelopes packing that come in our orders. And then I have a snack bag and a sandwich bag. Then I have envelopes that I bought to be able to send them out in. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna cut this ice pack because it's full of gel. And what I do with it is I fill up a snack bag. You might be able to get at least about 4 of these little snack size ones out of this one big one. So I'm going to put that there. Then once I seal it, just going to lay it down so it'll get flat. You want to get all the air out so that way it won't take up as much room. Okay, so once it's flat, I take and lay it on a flat surface, and I'm going to put this in the freezer. And if you can see it, you see how flat that is? And it's no bigger than this. So if you're only mailing like 1 or 2 bars, this is a way that you can do it to help save on shipping, and it helps save you money in trying to figure out how to get an ice pack. So once this is frozen, I don't have any frozen ones yet, but I am going to go ahead and just put this together to show you how I do it. So once this is frozen, I'll take this and I'll also use the paper that came out of the one that Scentsy sent me in my order. And I usually cut it in half because I don't need the whole thing. And what this will do is just absorb some of the condensation from the ice pack sweating. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it around the ice pack that I created. Then I'm going to take all of that and I'm going to put it in a regular size sandwich bag. Now I normally freeze the ice packs a day or 2 earlier, and I normally don't put the whole package together until the day that I'm going to ship it out. So that way it's just not sitting around waiting. So again, you want to get all the air out because it helps with the bulkiness of the package. So now I have an ice pack all ready to go and be shipped with the scent of the month. So for this month's scent of the month, I'm actually sending out Pumpkin Cinnamon Squirrel. This is the one that's going to be the scent of the month for October. So if you haven't gotten it, this is the one that comes with a little truck. Which is awesome. So instead of folding this to put a lot of creases in the pamphlet, I wrap it around the bar. So that way, you know, it just kind of wraps around and it doesn't get too wrinkled or messed up. So it still stays in pretty good shape. So what I'm going to do with this, the bar and the pack, I'm going to take all of it and I'm going to slide it down into my envelope. Oh, I'm sorry, not that envelope. Forgot about this part. So since this is so big, what I do, I'm going to backtrack. What I do is I'm going to cut this so that I can put this bar down inside this envelope. This one is a small envelope, so you might get about three bars out of it. Okay, so I'm going to cut it, and I usually cut it, and if I have a corner, I can just leave it and slide it in. So I'm going to cut this, and I'll stick my bar inside. And I'm not gonna do it at the moment because I don't wanna seal it. But what I would normally do is just take some tape and close this part that I cut. So I'm gonna close that part. Then I'm gonna take some tape because I'm gonna cut this again and close this part. And the reason I tend to cut it quite a bit is because it's less on shipping. So there you have it, your little freezer pack, if you will. So I would just go ahead and fold it up and tape it so I can put it in the bag. Then I'm going to put the ice pack on top of it. Then I'm going to slide all of this into my bag. My envelope. And see, it fits perfectly. And then you can seal it. And you have your center of the months ready to go for the post office. You just put labels on there for your shipping. And there you have it. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and you still have a little bit of room. Like for this one, I'm gonna end up putting a holiday brochure in there. I have some sample cards of the body wash and the body cream, and I'm gonna put an actual sample of the hand cream inside. So all these things will fit inside. Anything that I'm putting inside of it, I try to put it inside the silver liner envelope with the bar, so just in case the condensation from the ice pack, I don't want it to mess up all the materials that I put in there. So this, I would also wrap around the bar to keep it from getting so out of shape. So I would just wrap all of it around like that. And then just go ahead and stick it back down in there. And this will go on the outside of the silver envelope. And I'm not going to mail it today because post office don't deliver on Sunday, so it'll kind of sit in the post office. So I'll have them prepared so that I can package them up Monday morning, and then when I get out to work, I'll mail them off Monday morning. So I hope that was a help when it comes to trying to get stuff to people when it's hot outside. And it also helps to save you on the cost of supplies because you're using the same supplies that Scentsy actually send you when you order stuff. And also, it's just a good way to get your stuff out there. So I hope this was helpful. I tried to be quick, short, and effective. So I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.